beauty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie. You are welcome to my channel. Today I will be trying to use this wig glue sellotape to glue this wig. I ordered this glue from AliExpress. I'm just looking for something that will be very easy. If I'm going outside, just throw up wig. I don't have to be using got to be glue or spray gel. It's so very easy for me. Then I just say, let me try this if it's going to work. I see it in the picture. I check online, didn't see anybody use it. So it was so really difficult to pull out. Finally, I peeled the back of it. It glue from the back side, from the upside. So it just like stick together. So this wig is very beautiful. I'm going to link the website where I got the wig down below. So I will just apply foundation and make it blend with my forehead and my hair because the closure is light for me. So I will just install it. Like I see people, I check online, I didn't really see a lot of people use this. Then I say, okay, let me try if it's going to work. And I try. It's not working. It didn't work for me, so I don't know how it worked for people that use it, that review it on AliExpress. It didn't even tag at all. Like, you know, when you put something with tag to it, it didn't even tag. More, I'm even pressing the wig down. It's supposed to be tagged when I just glue the wig. It's not even like there is nothing under. It just play. You can see the wig even move up. See, I try to press it down, This didn't work. If you are just thinking of getting this one, it's not working at all. It's not sticky. So then I will go back to the got to be glue gel. I said I don't want to use. It's not all the time I have to use. It's easy to wash out. It's like a gel. It's not like the other one. It stick to the wig. Is difficult to wash out if you want to wash the other glue out, but this one is so very easy. Then I'll just use hand dryer to blow dry it so that it will be more like dry, not too wet. Then tag the wig and use comb to press it down like the first one that did work. I use comb to comb it back so that some hair will not lie down, or so hair will not just confront. If it's dry, it's going to be easy to go back. It's going to be hard to go back again. Then I will use hand dryer to blow dry it so that it will be little bit dry before I tie it down with my scarf. Then spray got to be glue to make it like tight. So after it dry, I will just cut the excess net that is in the front. I will trim it out. You have to trim it according to the way you inside the wig, or the way you arrange the wig on your forehead, the way the line is passed. You will try to understand me so that you don't have to cut it straight. If you cut it straight, there will be a lot of net in front. So you just have to like bend your hand when you are cutting. You don't have to cut it straight. So I will go back to the spray gel again. The end of it, I will just spray it and use comb to press it down so that that end that raise up will lie down. I will tie it down with scarf. Then after tying it down with scarf, I will be doing makeup. I'm going to be adding my full makeup and hair. I'm going to be adding it together. I will move to makeup. I use everything I have, no new thing. I use everything I have for makeup. I will just leave you guys to watch it and see how everything come out. Move to the foundation session. I mix some baking powder with foundation. I see people is doing it. I say, okay, let me try. You know, you have to try something if it's good or not. But trying this one was good idea. So foundation is very light. When you mix this baking powder with foundation, is going to be thick. And mixing these two together, it was a full coverage. If you have rashes you want to cover, this one will be the best. It's very like sticky to your face and it's thick too. Is a good idea. You can try it if you are a makeup artist or you are still a beginner, your foundation is too light. Just try this method. It will work for you perfectly. The wig was very soft, like just add this styling moon, just make everything just like come back alive. I know it was alive because it's a new wig, so I love the way the wig just come out. This is the final look of my makeup, of the hair. I think this is the best wig I've been installing, and it just glued to my hair. Sorry, I was greeting my friend that just walked in, and it just glued to my hair. You can't even tell if it's from if it's a wig or it's not my hair. The lace closure was so very light. I enjoy this wig and I enjoy doing makeup and this video too. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications, share with your friends and family, leave a comment down below. I will reply you. Thank you so much for watching to the end and stay blessed. Love you guys. Bye.